Nice.
FN, look up.
It's freaking crazy actually seeing you in Gun Raiders. What the
Hell yeah, bro. Nice meeting you. This is raining knives. The whole server is going to be throwing knives at one person. College, how long do you think you're going to make it for?
Easily 3 minutes.
They can use jetpacks. They can use a knife to run faster. Whatever it takes. But they just can't be getting out of the area. Go! Oh, there goes College. Oh, in time! 10 seconds! How long you think you're gonna last?
2 seconds.
2 seconds, alright. That's what she said. Oh! Go!
He's doing the sniper.
Oh, yeah. You can do the glide. Glide and move, glide and move. Oh my god, he's doing so good! Oh no, he's out of jetpack. Oh, he's recharging. He's setting the bar high. He is setting the bar high. Oh, he just got chopped once, right in the toes. Oh. I think you beat your 2 seconds. You were saying. Woo! Oh man.
That's a grenade launcher.
If you can dodge a knife, you can dodge this grenade.
Ow.
My god! I just saw a katana fly down. Oh, finally time at 55 seconds. How long do you think you're gonna last for, man?
I hope my Ultra Instinct hoodie helps me.
Hell yes. Go!
Right here. Oh shit! I'm getting
Oh, damn! Time! 5 seconds after he got onto the red box. Go! Oh, what is that I hear? He's like, yee! Celebratory gunshots, I guess. Goober still got it. He's still got it. He's got the moves. He's dodging. Oh, yes. Oh, he's doing good. It looks that way.
It's my strength. Can it work?
Copy paste. He just got joinked right in the leg. I saw that. Oh, and another one.
Alright, get my shield back.
Oh, he's got the recharge on the shield. Oh, we can't let him win. Come on. Look at all these knives. Jesus Christ.
They're everywhere, dude.
This is like that Spartan 300. When all the arrows are raining down. Oh, man. He is still going strong. He is at 1 minute and 3.
I'm sorry.
And he still can't get hit. Oh, man, there it is. Time at 1 minute and 13. How long do you think you're going to last?
Longer than them people, the spectators.
All right, are you guys ready? Go!
Make it rain.
Make it rain. Uh-oh. Couple slashes already. Oh, damn. We got 9 seconds on that one. Go! Oh, he's juking those knives. Oh, shit. Oh, and he just got it. 12 seconds. Woo! You ready for this? We got this, right? We can beat 1 minute and 13.
No.
Very confident. Oh, well. All right, next. No, just kidding. Let's go.
Why don't you like me?
Oh. All these knives. There's one you got. You throwing everything but the kitchen sink out here, man. Throwing gauntlets. I see katanas flying. Doing whatever it takes. I see a minigun flying. I almost got slapped by a knife. Still going strong.
I played Hollow Knight, suckers. Get on my level.
Oh, finally. It was 1 minute and 40. 1 minute and 40. The final contestant, right? You ready to roll?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Happy to. Oh, wait, no. Go. Can we beat the minute and 40? Can we beat that minute and 40? He's just going back and forth. We're at a minute and 2. Is he gonna take it? Oh. He's just dancing. Now he's got the boost going. A minute and 32 seconds. Is he gonna be the new leader? Is he gonna take it? Oh, a couple. Now he's back to the boosting. Back to the boosting. Back to the boost. Boost juice on the loose. Got the new leader. Is he gonna set a record at this point? Think it's safe to say he gets the 200 Raider coins at this point. Hell yes.
I missed.
He got over 2 minutes. Over 2 minutes on that one. And that is time. That was Raining Knives. And it looks like the Forgotten is the one who takes it on that. Woo! Hell yeah. Oh, he's dead. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and as always, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out till then.